Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a book that's been a game changer for millions. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle, this book offers some powerful insights. So, grab a coffee and let's unlock the secrets to financial literacy. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just about making money. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about money. Kiyosaki shares his experiences growing up with two influential figures: his poor dad, his highly educated but financially struggling biological father, and his rich dad, his best friend's father, who was a high school dropout but a self-made millionaire. The core message: our traditional education system teaches us to get a good job, work hard, and save money. This is what Kiyosaki calls the rat race. His poor dad, despite his intelligence, followed this path. He believed in job security, a steady paycheck, and working for someone else. But Rich Dad taught a different lesson. He emphasized financial education, understanding assets versus liabilities, and making money work for you, not the other way around. So what's the big difference? It all boils down to how they viewed money and assets. Poor Dad's perspective: his house was an asset. His car was an asset. He focused on earning a high salary. Rich Dad's perspective: assets are things that put money in your pocket, like rental properties, stocks, businesses. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, like your house, your car, consumer debt. This is a crucial distinction. Rich Dad understood that true wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how much you keep and how much that money grows. Kiyosaki also highlights the importance of financial literacy. It's not about being smart in school. It's about understanding accounting, investing, markets, and the law. He teaches us to 1. Mind our own business. Focus on building assets outside of our primary job. 2. Learn to take calculated risks. Don't be afraid to invest and learn from failures. 3. Understand taxes. The rich play by different rules, and understanding tax laws can significantly impact your wealth. 4. Overcome fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance. These are the emotional obstacles that prevent people from achieving financial freedom. One of the most powerful concepts in the book is the idea of the cash flow quadrant. You have a job. You work for someone else. S. You own your job. You're still trading time for money. B. You own a system and people work for you. Money works for you. Rich Dad encouraged moving from the left side to the right side to achieve true financial freedom. So what can we take away from Rich Dad, Poor Dad? Start your financial education now. Read books, take courses, listen to podcasts. Identify assets versus liabilities. Critically evaluate where your money is going. Start building assets. Even small investments can grow over time. Challenge conventional wisdom. Don't just follow the crowd. Think critically about money. Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a mindset shift, a blueprint for understanding how the wealthy operate, and a call to action to take control of your financial destiny. If you've read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, let me know your biggest takeaway in the comments below. If you haven't, I highly recommend picking up a copy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your financial future.